This video tutorial I will explain speakers and microphones and how they work in a computer. Speakers and microphones are important devices that help you to hear sound and record your voice on the computer. What are speakers? Speakers are devices that play sound from your computer. They let you hear music, videos, games, and other audio. The purpose of the speaker is they convert electric signals from your computer into audible sound waves that you can hear. Now we will see how do speakers work. Sound signals. The computer sends sound signals to the speakers. Sound signal is nothing but electrical signals. For example, when you play a song, the computer sends music data to the speakers, converting signals to the sound. Inside the speaker, there is a magnet and coil that work together to move the cone. Cone is nothing but the round part of the speaker. When the electric signals reach the speakers, they make the cone to vibrate. These vibrations create sound waves that you can hear. Volume control. You can adjust the volume using computer settings or buttons on the speaker. For example, turn up the volume to hear the music louder. What are the different types of speakers available? First one is built-in speakers. Some computers, like laptops, have small speakers built into them. For example, laptop speakers for basic sound. Next one is external speakers. These are separate speakers you connect to the computer for better sound quality. For example, desktop speakers for gaming or watching movies. Next one is Bluetooth or wireless speakers. Connect without wires. What are microphones? Microphones are devices that record sound or capture your voice. They let you talk to others, record audio, or give voice commands. Microphone convert sound waves from your voice into electrical signals that your computer can process and store. How do microphones work? Capturing sound. When you speak or make noise, the microphone picks up the sound waves. For example, talking into microphone during a video call. Converting sound to signals. Inside the microphone, there is a diaphragm, a thin piece of material that vibrates when sounds hit it. These vibrations are converted into electrical signals, sending signals to the computer. These electrical signals are sent to the computer, where they are processed and saved as audio files or sent to others. For example, your voice is recorded as an audio file or transmitted during a call. What are the different types of microphones available? First one is built-in microphones. Some computers, like laptops, have small microphones built into them. For example, laptop microphones for video calls. It is convenient and always available, typically lower quality and good for casual use. Next one is external microphones. These are separate microphones you connect to the computer for better sound quality. For example, USB microphones for recording podcast or recording music. These microphones are higher audio quality, better noise isolation, and more control over positioning. How speakers and microphones work together. For voice calls, you speak into the microphone and the sound is sent to the other person's speakers. For example, talking to your friend on a video call. Recording. You record your voice using a microphone and the computer saves it as an audio file. Later, you can play the recording through the speakers. For example, recording a song and play it back. Now we will see tips for using speakers and microphones. First one is positioning. Place speakers at ear level for best sound. Keep the microphone close to your mouth but not too close to avoid distortion. Next point is adjust settings. Use computer sound settings to adjust volume, adjust input, and adjust output. Input is nothing but microphone, output is nothing but speakers. Next point is test before use. Test your microphone and speakers before the important calls or recordings to make sure they work properly. Next point is keep devices clean. Dust can affect the sound quality. Clean your speakers and microphone regularly. Now we will see the summary. Speakers are used to play sound by converting electrical signals into sound waves. You can use them to listen music, videos or calls. Microphones are used to record sound by converting sound waves into electrical signals. You can use them to talk, record or give voice commands. Together, speakers and microphones help you to hear and communicate on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.